Hey guys, sorry about the wind noise. Can you see that orange fiberglass pole right there? I hope you can. I certainly can't in the sun out here. Blitzy, what's going on, son? Um, so that's an end-fed half-wave 10-meter vertical radiator. I've been comparing it to the 10-meter quarter-wave Michigan silly stick on receive, and you might be surprised, man. Um, What you might be surprised even more about is the way I've connected them to my switch box, and I can select either or both. And man, you throw them both in line at the same time, you get some crazy phasing patterns out of it. And it's interesting, man. You might think that you might think that that's silly. Well, yeah, it is silly, but it's also very interesting, man, to see what a random unknown phase delay between those two radiators at an unknown random distance from each other can result in such a signal level difference on the right station. But that's not what I'm here to talk about today. What I'm here to talk about today is my amateur radio license and the FCC. That's the subject of today's video. I'm hereby serving the FCC notice. This is the month of my 1 year anniversary of when I applied for renewal. Now, the FCC didn't deny it, they didn't approve it, it went into the rabbit hole. They're just going to do nothing. Justice delayed truly is justice denied. And I'm serving the FCC notice. A, that's fascism. B, I've got my civil rights attorney ready. You have until the 1 year anniversary day this month, FCC, to take action. Take whatever kind of action you want. Just take action. You're denying me due process. You're denying me my civil rights. And the ACLU will take care of that for me. My niece is an attorney. So, from Blitzen and I, and my two 10-meter radiators, take care, 73, and I'll be back with my Heathkit video. Bye now.